In this video, I will show you how to put your PS5 on the stand, so this can be positioned either horizontally like this, or vertically like this. So follow along with me and I'll show you how to achieve this. So the first way we're going to look at is how to put the stand on horizontally if you want your PS5 to be positioned like this. So in order to do this, if you actually look on the back of your console, if you look very closely, you've got the PlayStation symbol, so the square, the triangle, the circle and the X. And what you want to do is line up the stand with the icons, the two squares. So you can just go ahead and put the hooks into the squares on either end of the pattern, and then just go ahead and push the hooks into place. Now I just want to mention that it does not click or anything like that. The hooks are actually lined with a foam material. What this does, it actually grips the white panel using nothing but friction. So make sure you do push the hooks in as far as they'll go to create as secure an attachment as possible. And this is what it should look like. So you want to make sure that your console is balanced and it's on the raised part of the stand, and of course make sure to put your console on a flat surface. So if you actually want to install your console vertically like this with the base at the bottom, then follow along with me as the steps are slightly different to do this. Now if you actually look in the bottom of the base, you can actually rotate the base. And what you want to do is rotate the base of the stand so that the raised section is directly in line with the hooks on the back. This is actually going to reveal a compartment like this, and in this compartment you're going to see a screw. What you're going to want to do first is take the screw out, and then if you lay down the PS5 on the front, and if you look at the rear of the console, you can see like a little cap just here. So this is actually in the center of the base. You're going to see a small line of vents on either side, and what you want to do is just remove this cap. And this is where we're going to put the screw that we found earlier in the base. So if you look in the compartment where you took the screw out, there's actually a little slot for the cap to go into. So what you can do is put this into here, and then just go ahead and rotate the base back to close the compartment and keep the cap safe so it doesn't go missing. Then all you need to do is take the stand and line it up with the screw hole. And once that's done, you can just go ahead and put the screw through the base. And what it's going to do is basically attach the base to the PlayStation 5 and keep it securely in place by the screw, which you will need a flathead screwdriver, or you can use a coin as well to just screw this into place so it's nice and secure. So that's the two ways to go ahead and install the stand for your PS5. So whether you choose to do it horizontally like this or vertically like this, make sure to follow along with this video carefully, and that should help you install the base. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.